Today we will be doing an unboxing of Corsair RM750x power supply. Corsair provides some basic info on its box, for example what kind of cables are included and how many, some features listed, etc. This PSU can supply 750 watts of continuous power, is fully modular and has a 0 RPM fan mode. Also, it has an 80+ gold certificate. On the back of the box, you'll find its specifications, efficiency and fan noise curves. Now let's open it up and feel the power. First things first, manual and safety instructions are in the few common languages. Then we have a power cable and some zip ties. All the cables are packed in a storage bag, so you'll be able to keep your unused cables organized later on. Now let's see what kind of cables that are included with Corsair power supply. One 24-pin ATX cable, 3 SATA cables, 2 8-pin EPS cables for your super hungry CPU, 2 8-pin PCIe, 2 Molex, and a Molex to 4-pin floppy adapter. Bonus: anti-moisture bag included. A power supply is well packed and it has its own bag as well. In general, this power supply is quite pricey, but nothing fancy from a visual perspective. But hey, it will provide tons of power for your rig for sure. Should you buy one? It's up to you to decide, but I would recommend it only for a power-hungry overclockable CPUs and a high-end GPU combos. Worth to mention, Corsair provides 10 years warranty for this power supply. In the description below, I will leave a link to an official Corsair website. May the power be with you!